Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapter of a computer, that is using MS Word 2016. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives. Understand the purpose of word processor, components of Word 2016 window. How to create, save and close a file. Differentiate between save and save as. Open and edit an existing file. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. First question is, state true or false. First, MS stands for Microsoft Store. You have to write T if you find the statement true. You have to write F if you find the statement false. Second, MS Word is used to type letters, reports, stories, etc. Write T or F. Third, MS Word is also called a word processor. You have to write T or F in the box. MS Word is an example of system software. So students, write T or F in the given box. Now let's start our chapter. MS Word 2016 is processing program designed to help you make professional document with the finest formatting tools. Word can help you to organize and write your document with high efficiency. Now our next topic is word processing. The term word processing means using a computer to create, edit and print documents. So students, now let's learn what we can do in a word process. We can edit words and sentences, change the size and style of letter and make the text colorful, set the margin for page as per requirement, cut, copy and paste text, check grammar and spellings, insert pictures in document, print document. So students, now let's know the fact. MS Word, WordPerfect and MS WordPad are examples of word processors. So students, our next topic is starting MS Word. In this topic, we are going to learn about how we start word processor. So, to open MS Word, follow these steps. Step 1, click on Start button. Step 2, now click Microsoft Office 2016. Step 3, in the new menu, click on Microsoft Word 2016. The following MS Word window will appear on screen. So students, here you can see a pictures of interface of MS Word. Our next topic is components of MS Word 2016 windows. First, tab. This tab helps you open an existing document or save a document. Second, title bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar on Word document. It displays the program and document titles. It has 3 buttons, minimize, maximize and close. These are called control buttons. Third, we have the control buttons serve following purposes. Minimize button. It minimizes or shrinks the window from the screen to the taskbar. Clicking on the taskbar button displays the window again. Now we have restore button. It reduces the size of the window. When we click on it once, the size of the window reduces and the button changes to maximize button. On clicking this, the window reappears as full screen. Now we have close button. It closes the window. Fourth, workspace. The area where we type the text. Fifth, ribbon. It contains home, insert, page, layout, references, margin, mailing, review and view tabs. Each tab has commands organized in 3 components. Sixth, we have status bar. It shows the page and word count of the document. Seventh, quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar It has commands that are used frequently. It can be placed above or below the ribbon. 8th, cursor and insertion point. The blinking line in the document area is called cursor. It tells about the position of the typed text. 9th, help. Help icon can be used to get word-related help anytime you require it. So students, now we have, let's know the fact. The file extension for MS Word file is docs. Now students, let's learn about typing in MS Word. To type in MS Word, follow these steps. Step 1, open MS Word. Step 2, now simply bring the mouse to the location from where you want to enter the text. Step 3, now left click and the cursor appears blinking. Step 4, start typing. Now students, we have, let's know the fact. We may use some shortcuts in MS Word. First is, to move to the beginning of the line, press home button on the keyboard. Second, to move to the end of the line, press end button on the keyboard. Third, to move to the top of the document, press Ctrl plus home on the keyboard. Fourth, to move to the end of the document, press Ctrl plus end on the keyboard. Fifth, to close the word process, press Ctrl plus W. Now students, we have some important points to remember. First, the cursor automatically moves on to the next line when we reach the end of the line. Second, we don't have to press enter key again and again. This feature of MS Word is called word wrap. Third, in case of mistake, press backspace key to erase text to the left of the cursor. Fourth, press delete key to erase text to the right of the cursor. So students, now it's time to know some interesting fact. By using undo button in the title bar, we can retain the text deleted by mistake or simply press Ctrl plus Z to undo. So students, our next topic is creating a new document in MS Word. In order to create a new document, follow these steps. Step 1, click on the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Step 2, click on New Options. Step 3, click on the blank document under Available Templates. Step 4, click on Create button. Now, a new blank document will appear in Microsoft Word 2016 window. So students, now let's know about saving a document in MS Word. How can we save a document in MS Word? MS Word gives a temporary name to the new document, which is document 1. To prevent the document from getting lost, one needs to save it. To save a document, follow these steps. Step 1, click on File tab. Step 2, click on the Save As command. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 3, select the location where you want your document to be saved in the computer. Step 4, type the name of the document in File Name box. Step 5, click on Save. Your document gets saved with Docs extension. So students, it's time to know an interesting fact. That is, MS Word 2016 is the latest version of Microsoft Word. Shortcut key Ctrl plus N, create a new document. Ctrl plus S, save a document. Ctrl plus O, open an existing document. Now, our next topic is open an existing document in MS Word. How can we open an existing document in MS Word? Let's know about it. If you have created a document in MS Word and you want to edit or see this document, then follow the following step to open it. Step 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the Open option. The Open dialog box will be appear. Step 3, choose the desired document and click on the open button. Now your existing document will open. So students, our next topic is closing a MS Word document. How can we close a MS Word document? Let's learn about it. Using the MS Word, you can open many Word documents at a time in the computer. However, after finishing the work, you need to close the open document. Follow these steps to close an already open document. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Close option. Your current Word document will be closed. Now students, our next topic is how can we exit from MS Word? Let's learn about it. When a user completes all his or her work, he or she needs to close the MS Word application. To exit from MS Word, follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. Step 2. Click on the Exit button. MS Word program will be closed. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. Creating a document on computer is called word processing. Microsoft Word is a word processor. MS Word gives a default name to the new document as Document 1. The user does not have to press enter at the end of the line while typing. The cursor automatically moves down. This is called word rep. The file extension for MS Word file is docs. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.